Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to dive into the exciting world of investing in the share market. Investing in stocks can be a fantastic way to build wealth, but it's essential to approach it with knowledge and discipline. If you're ready to learn how to get started in the stock market, let's get started. Step 1. Educate yourself. The first step to successful investing is education. Before you start investing your hard-earned money, take the time to understand how the stock market works, the different types of stocks, and various investment strategies. Knowledge is power, and it will be your most valuable asset on this journey. Step 2. Set clear financial goals. Now, it's time to define your financial goals. Are you investing for retirement, buying a house, or maybe funding your child's education? Knowing your goals will help you determine your investment timeline and risk tolerance. Step 3. Create a budget. Hold on, don't start investing just yet. You need to assess your financial situation and create a budget. Figure out how much money you can afford to invest without sacrificing your essential living expenses and emergency fund. Remember, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Step 4. Establish an emergency fund. Before you jump into the stock market, make sure you have an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This fund will be your safety net during unexpected financial difficulties. Step 5. Open a brokerage account. To invest in the stock market, you'll need a brokerage account. Look for reputable brokerage platforms that align with your investment goals and offer low fees and user-friendly tools. There are plenty of great options out there. Step 6. Diversification is key. Now, let's talk about diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead of investing all your money in a single stock, spread it across multiple stocks, industries, or even different asset classes. This way, if one investment performs poorly, others can help balance the losses. Step 7. Research and analyze stocks. The key to making informed decisions is thorough research and analysis. Dive into the stocks you're interested in, considering factors like the company's financial health, earnings growth, competitive advantage, and market trends. Use fundamental and technical analysis to your advantage. Step 8. Start with blue-chip stocks. If you're new to investing, it's a good idea to start with blue-chip stocks of well-established companies. These are often less volatile and tend to be more stable than smaller, riskier stocks. Step 9. Invest regularly. Don't try to time the market. Instead, invest consistently and regularly, even if it's in small amounts. This strategy allows you to take advantage of dollar-cost averaging, which can reduce the impact of market fluctuations on your portfolio. Step 10. Monitor your investments. Keep a close eye on your investments. While staying informed is crucial, avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Remember, investing is a long-term game, so be patient and stay focused on your goals. Step 11. Stay updated. Stay in the loop with financial news and market trends. Economic and geopolitical events can impact the stock market, so being aware of what's happening can help you make informed decisions. Step 12. Know when to seek professional advice. If you find investing overwhelming or lack the time to manage your investments, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. A professional can help you develop a tailored investment strategy based on your goals and risk tolerance. Conclusion. And there you have it, a guide on how to invest in the share market. By following these steps and staying disciplined, you'll increase your chances of building wealth and achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.